Introducing Solar Moons and Stars String Lights by Brightown. I finally received my package from Brightown, so it's time to unbox and review the solar string lights by Brightown. The package comes with 60 LED lights with moon and star shape. It comes with a solar panel with stake and rod. It also comes with a remote control. Before charging the solar panel, we need to attach the rod to the solar panel and insert the stake into the rod. At this point, we will attach the connectors from the solar panel to the string lights. To start charging, we need to turn on the solar panel and put it in a sufficient sunny place. The light from the sun charges the battery, and at night, energy stored in the battery powers the LED lights. All the components of these solar string lights are IP65 waterproof enabled. And now, we are ready for the light show. These solar string lights has 8 lighting modes. The 8 different lighting modes includes combination, in waves, sequential, and slow glow, chasing flash, slow fade, twinkle flash, and steady on. I am very impressed with the solar string lights by Brightown. They are beautiful at night and it gives you more choices of settings. The lights add a romantic and magical ambience to our outdoor decor. At night, they create the cozy atmosphere that we are looking for. I highly recommend these solar string lights from Brightown, and they deserve a 5-star rating. This is the perfect outdoor string lights for any season.
Transform your favorite space with Brightown lights.
Wow, I love it!
Brighten your bedroom.
Yeah.
Illuminate your living room. Create cozy corners. And bring a new brilliance to your backyard. Brightown, bringing friends and family back together.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.